something. It's more like a something. When showbiz, you get all.
Good morning, guys. I am up and about. I realized that even though I'm not a morning person, I'm up very early in the mornings. First and foremost, I have to take Araya to school, and then my morning just goes from there. So today I have an oil change which I'm about to go get now. And I've been trying to get this oil change since Saturday. So I'm going this morning to get my oil change. Then I gotta go to the grocery store again. And I also need to pick a few gifts up for Araya's teacher. So I'm about to go head out and get that done right now. It is 9 o'clock. It's early, but not that early. Early enough. Just drop her right up at school. So let's get our day started. So guys, I just dropped my car off to get an oil change, and I stopped into the grocery store. And yeah, now I'm outside waiting for my oil to finish, get changed. I think I'm gonna go into Panera to get something while I continue to wait for my car. I just came out the store and I'm like, where's my car? Yeah, it's right across the street getting service. So I just need to wait until it's done. It normally takes an hour. It should be less. I'm hoping it's less. But I'm gonna go Panera and get something. I don't know what I want. I could do a bagel. That sounds good. All right, let's go to Panera because it's freezing out here. Let me get my bags. I'm gonna get more bags then. It's not much. I don't have much, just a little bit. But yeah, let's go to Panera to get something to eat while we wait. And then I gotta go to a couple more stores. So, yeah. Did they take my car back yet? It's like literally across the street. I'm gonna turn you on and show you. So guys, I am walking across the street to get my car. It's all done and I can finish doing what I'm doing. I got my bags with me. So we're just going across the parking lot. Yeah. To see what is going on. See you guys in a minute. my god, my hair look a mess. It's kind of windy outside today. It is 12:15 and I went to Sam's. As you guys can see, I went to get my oil change and I went to another store. Just got some gas. And have you ever been on the road and you really need to pee and the gas pump is moving super slow? On top of that, you gotta drive like 20 minutes to get home. I hate using public restrooms, so I'm gonna hold it till I get home. I have other stops to make, but I'm gonna hold it till I get home. I'm gonna hold this bad boy till I get home. I'm gonna try. Hopefully I don't pee myself. And look, I'm in traffic because people just don't know how to drive. They're just like so stupid. But that's my dilemma right now. I gotta pee. I don't know, my lip look dry for some reason. But I know I've been looking a mess lately, but I'm about to get myself right pretty soon. I need to get my eyebrows threaded today. And I need to make a stop at Target to pick some stuff up that I ordered, some last minute gifts. And I think we're setting the table tonight, but that won't be in today's vlog. I'll show you that tomorrow maybe. Then I gotta get our money. Yep. So I am doing like 70 right now. Gotta get on this real quick because I gotta go to the bathroom. I've been holding it for an hour and a half, but you can only hold it for so long, and it's not good for your bladder. I do not recommend it. So if there's a bathroom close by that you feel comfortable using, go ahead and use it. But me, I'd rather go home. Sorry. And I just gotta pee. Like, there's nothing serious. It's nothing serious. I just hate using public restroom. It stink, it not horrible. So you know what? I've been realizing, like, I'm like super I've been realizing the other day that I'm looking a little shabby. Look. Your girl is looking a tad bit chubby, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's the angles of the camera or what, but not really. But I've been looking a little bit chubby, and I need to hit the gym. So starting Monday, which is right after Christmas, I'm gonna start taking you guys on my daily workout because I went on the scale and I weighed 145. And it's not even a good solid 145. It's like 45 fat, unnecessary rolls and all that stuff. So that's that pasta and bread and all that unhealthy stuff that I've been eating. So I went to the store, I got me some
Fit for another set. Fit for another mile. Fit for another day. Versed, apparel fit for living.